everyone! Hello, little ones! It's time to read! Let's read! Are you ready to read sentences? Let's go read! We're going to read sentences that has a, am. One more time. Can you say that word? Let's find a. Is this a No. How about this one? A That's one time. A That's two times. A uh-uh. A a ow. A and W together says ah, ah, ah. Uh-uh. Ah, an. How many times can we find One time, two times. Good job! Let's look for the words that has a. Can you spot those words with a Does this word has A Very good. That's one. Let's see. Does this one has a a ow? Remember, A and W together says oh, oh. Don't try sounding it out. Ah, so is missing. Let's try this one. L, Yes, this one. So we have two words that has All right, let's read now. P, palm. S, A and W together says oh, oh, oh. S, oh, s, oh, saw. Palm, so, ah. L, The B is silent. We don't hear the sound. L, lamb. Let's read it all now together. Pam saw a lamb. Read it one more time with me. Pam saw a lamb. Good job! Can you see the lamb? Where is it? This is the lamb. And remember, lamb has a silent B. Let's look for the words with lamb. Sorry, let's look for the words with A, mm, a, am. Can you spot those words? What's this one again? Which letter is silent? The B is silent. L, am, lamb. Very good. Let's see which other word has am. A, am. Very good. Let's read. The. Remember, the E is silent. The T and H together says D. D. The. Lamb. B. Here we hear the A make a different sound. Other than saying A or saying A, we hear B. Whenever S is at the end, after some vowels, we hear the song like Z. Z, Z. Good job. So we hear W, Z, was. Let's read now. The lamb was at. T and H together make the sound D. And the E, silent. Good job. Let's read again from the top. The lamb was at the d. Dam. Dam. Let's read it all now together. The lamb was at the dam. One more time. Let's see if you get it all right. The lamb was at the dam. Hooray! Can you see the dam? Let's see you find the dam. Woo! This is the dam. All right, let's read this new sentence. Can you find the words with am? I know you can. Am. Am. Very good. Let's see. S and H together. Sh. And we hear the E at the end says E. Sometimes in some words it can be silent, but in this word we are going to hear E. Sh, E, sh, E, she. K. The A here says O. K, O. Two L together. L. Make only one sound. K, O. L. K, all. Call. Now let's add the song for the ed. Ed can make 4 different songs. What do you guess? Do you guess it is a D sound? It is a T sound? It is a id sound? Or is it the ed sound? Let's guess. It's the D sound. Called, 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 called. Some. Let's read from the beginning. She called some. Oh, one out together. Oh, oh, four. T and H make the sound D. And the E is silent. Duh. Can you remember this word? The B is silent. Lamb. Let's read from the top now. She called some for the lamb. One more time. She called some for the lamb. All right, let's read the next sentence. Who did she call for the lamb? Can you find that person? It is Sam. Great job. Okay, let's look for the words now that has am. You should be very good at this now. Am. Let's sound the word. Some. Am. Which letter is silent? The B. Lamb. Am. J. Am. J. Jam. Sam. Lamb. Jam. All right, let's see the other words. Some. Ed. 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 Fed. Fed. So this is another song for E.T. Ed. We hear the song when ed is inside of the word most of the time, or at the end of words. T and H together, the, and the E is silent. Sam fed the lamb. Remember, the B is silent. Sam fed the lamb. E at the end, silent in this word. So last time we saw in she that the E at the end said E. Now in this one, the E at the end is silent. S, mm, s, s, some. We do not hear the E. J, jam. Let's read from the beginning. Sam fed the lamb some jam. One more time, let's go. Sam fed the lamb some jam. All right, let's now try to hear you read all the sentences on your own. Do you want to do that? All right, so what you can do, you can pause the video and you can go back to all the sentences and read them on your own. If you are not up to it this time, then we are at the end. So thank you so much for reading with me today. Little ones, I will see you next time. Continue to read, little ones. Until later, bye.